Save money on Christmas presents. If you don't have a lot of money, but you do want to get your loved ones a Christmas present, keep watching, because I will give you my best money-saving Christmas tips. Now, setting a budget is how you become the holiday hero. That's right, if you want to continue to be on Santa's good list, set a budget and stick to it. You might be prepared if you've been shopping all year or saving money for your Christmas fund. If not, however, you'll need to get the cash somewhere else. Moving money around in your budget is the first step in this process. You should spend less in some areas in December to make up for the extra Christmas celebrations. Don't wait until Black Friday to begin your holiday shopping, keep an eye out for deals all year. You'll spread out both the worry and the spending when you keep your list in mind throughout the year. Avoid getting sucked into all the sales and spending. Last year, Americans spent $886.7 billion on holidays. You may believe that these merchants are offering offers out of a sincere desire to assist you, but their true objective is to participate in the $886 billion holiday magic. Be disciplined about your spending and shop smartly. Consider the remaining balance on all of your old gift cards as well as the cards you'll never use because they are for establishments you never dine at, shop at, or visit. Use the gift cards to purchase gifts and think of them as discounts. Did you think of using any leftover gift cards for discount? Let me know in the comments. Make it if you want to give someone something special, unique, and personal. There are numerous tips and directions on Pinterest. Try creating a sweet treat, putting together a gift basket with someone's favorite items, or making some homemade sugar scrubs if you aren't too crafty. Nothing says Merry Christmas like a handcrafted gift. If you do want to buy a gift, stick to one gift instead of multiple gifts. You could also discuss with your friends and family, you skip the adults' gifts. So only the kids will receive a present. Another idea is to give a family gift. So instead of buying one gift for each family member, you'll give them a present they can enjoy as a family together, like an experience for example. Make extra money if you can to pay for the extra expenses with Christmas. But keep in mind, if money is tight this year and you're already struggling with your income, don't put pressure on yourself to work harder or spend more money. Aside from that, resist the urge to incur debt. This makes this year's spending a problem for the following year. It's not worthwhile. Merry Christmas everybody! I wish you a happy holiday with lots of love and little expense. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe,